Be ready for the moments. Wonderful captured on camera. Fast, shocking, and unforgettable. From unbelievable escapes to breathtaking surprises.
Schnell, Auto hoch, weg, alles weg. Jetzt bin ich bankrott. Jetzt sind wir bankrott, Schatz. Jetzt brauchen wir nie mehr zu fahren.
What you are about to see will amaze you. United States. Powerful tornadoes hit.
Закрывайте все, что можно. Ужас!
Tornado damages planes buildings at Begishevo Airport, Tatarstan. Lightning struck the road. The phenomenon of water receding just before a tsunami. Tsunami of lava flowing from La Palma volcano. If you like the video, please leave a 1.
Пошла лавина. Вот это да, фиг.
South Dakota skies light up as superstorm collides with sunset. Molten lava is flowing down the mountain. Crazy storm scenes between Adrian and Nissa. The water patrol towed the burning boat away from the dock. Ship collision at sea. The cargo ship was broken in two by the waves. A cargo ship crashed into the port.
Yeah.
Authorities demolish historic hotel on Miami beachfront. The whale rose to the surface and crushed a nearby boat. Panoramic view of the Zhengzhou Xinli thermal power plant explosion. Strong storm waves beat against the boats at sea. The car lost control and crashed into the store. Video captures the moment a car crashed into a restaurant in Turkey. A car is carrying straw on the road.
А как он смотрит?
Footage of Iran's missile attack on southern Israel.
איזה פחד.
מה, עינב?
השם ישמור, איזה פחד.
מה קרה?
Levitobi volcano erupted, smoke filled the air. A terrifying tornado is on its way. Video of the floating river in Aguas Buenas. Cars drive on a flooded street in Omaha.
No.
Blind River ice shelf.
A lot that they've reached today on a Saturday.
Netizens captured video of a black and blue glacier in Iceland collapsing and capsizing. A wild boar rushed into and destroyed the iron door. Big fire in Malaysia on the 1st of April 2025. Security camera captures a sinkhole on a busy street in Philadelphia. UK images of powerful storm Eowyn. Strong waves crashed against the shore wall. The waves are rising. A ferry was moored and knocked over a crane, which then fell onto cargo containers. The tree fell almost on the pedestrian. A huge tornado is forming in Vietnam. The tornado took place in Poland. Lava flows into a waste and recycling center. Traffic accident report on Tomei Expressway. Many icebergs move on Lake Superior. Scary moment, multiple tornadoes appear at once.
See the debris? There it is. That's a tornado in South Dakota, dude. Clear Lake, South Dakota, right here. We're right on the edge of it. There's the trees flying.
The volcano belched thick black smoke into the sky. Oh my God.
Wait, was it on the ground? It's possible. Looks disorganized there again, but...
The tornado was slowly forming and growing.
Intense little cone here. Little multiple vortices.
The bear is blocking out the noise of cars in the forest. Floodwaters from the waterfall poured into the river, flooding the whole city. Oh my God. Tesla car catches fire in flooded garage. The tornado was growing on the road. Destroy the silo tower with explosives. Crab steals diver's camera. What is the cat doing?
What are you doing? Oh no!
The water patrol towed the burning boat away from the dock. Cat wants to order.
Get a picture, get a picture.
I am! Hi there, sweetheart. You placing an order?
Oh, it's so cute.
What'll be a little cheeseburger, maybe some nuggets?
Today's video ends here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss the next video.